Here we are. We're about to jump into the after and show you our new bathroom, but first, this is the space that we transformed. It was a living room, and before that, a patio. It is reveal day here on the farm for our guest bath. We have been renovating our 1903 farmhouse for almost 6 months. There are a few spaces that are getting some finishing touches, so hit that like and subscribe button so you can see those spaces as we're ready to show them to you. But first, the guest bath is ready. All those little fixtures have been in. I'm thrilled with how it turned out, and I hope that you will be too. So let's go take a look. All right, here is this beautiful space. We're gonna zoom in. Okay, here she is, our guest bathroom. So you can see first we've got this star tile. This was actually a great find. I loved it, and it turned out to only be $4 a square foot. And then we went with this board and batten trim. The color is Sherwin-Williams Porpoise. So it's a step below on the color chart from Sherwin-Williams Urbane Bronze. Towels are a waffle towel, a waffle design as you can see. And those were from West Elm. They're a little bit of a splurge, but I think good towels are worth it. Well, now that you have seen the guest bath, I would love to hear what features you like the best. Also, be sure to check out the comments where I have a link to my pantry guide and my kombucha guide so that if you want to be able to brew delicious homemade kombucha at home for a fraction of the price, or you want to stock your pantry with all the essentials so that you are prepared for easy, simple meals that will nourish you and your family at the drop of a hat, you can get set up. So again, that's in the comments. Again, hit that like and subscribe button so that as we have more transformations to reveal, you'll be the first to see them. Thanks so much for watching. This is the HomeStyle Honey, where I'm helping you create a home you love by transforming beautiful spaces, creating simple living, and enjoying delicious recipes.